In October of 2018, we had Hurricane Michael that came through here, and in addition to losing 90% of the trees here in the park, 75% of the structures here in the park were damaged, anywhere from minor damage up to completely leveled. And so as part of an ongoing park repair project following Hurricane Michael, we've been able to make a lot of much needed repairs here in the park. We have on this side of the river, we have a new roof on the family campground restroom. Well, the campsites have all been completely renovated, new water, electric, sewer, rock, timber. And here at the Blue Hole Swimming Area, we've been able to replace all of the boardwalks and the footbridges here. These boardwalks that we're standing on here were built in 1966 and held up fairly well, but unfortunately with the fallen trees, we had to replace the entire stretch of boardwalks here, and that has been completed here. In addition to the boardwalks here, we will also have a new pavilion constructed here at the Blue Hole Swimming Area to replace the Blue Hole Pavilion. Blue Hole Spring here, some would argue it's not a true spring, it's more of an alluvial spring. It's a lot of river water. So when the river drops low enough here, it allows the aquifer to fill these voids from these sinkholes here, and the water will be pretty and blue. When the river rises high enough, it inundates and it darkens the water, and it drops low enough and it stops flowing with the aquifer here. But these river rises here are pretty unique in that they bring a lot of fish from the Chipola River into here, and we see turtles and lots of wading birds here. We actually have been seeing some of the green herons here lately. That's something we don't see here very often. And we have a new well that's going to be installed back here, supplying drinking water to this side of the river. Once the new well is completed, then we'll be able to potentially reopen this side of the park, complete with camping and our historic Blue Hole family campground.